what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. So I'm actually picking up Holy Shift, Sandy. He's back. Obviously you guys know that. In the car now because it's going to be raining soon. So we're actually going to be heading off to Bergen County, Harley Davidson, to take a look and see what they have as far as new models, 2021 models, see what they have. I heard they got a bunch of cool bikes in stock for us to take a look. I think Sandy has to pick up a couple things as well. He's looking for a hat, so he says. So we're gonna head on out over there and show you guys around, show you guys the new models, see what's different about them. So stay tuned, all right guys? But before we dive into this video, do me a favor guys, smash that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps the channel out, and click that bell so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. Hey, if you guys are into cars also, do me a favor, go to my other channel, Auto Fanatix. You could check out this 2021 Audi TTRS in Nardo Gray. It is an absolute beast. I'm gonna be posting all my auto content on there, as well as all car reviews, supercar reviews, auto show stuff, track days, and a lot of great content. So if you can, click that pop-up banner right there and you can check out Auto Fanatix. All right guys, we'll be by Sandy in about 2 minutes. Let's go, I'm pressed for time.
My gift is my Christmas gift.
Yeah, come on.
But this is in real life. It looks amazing. Pretty cool. Oh, that's really cool. Wait, I'm not buckled. Let me buckle up.
Why don't you buckle up there, buddy?
Buckle up.
What's going on? We got Holy Shift in the house.
How you doing? Do you have heated seats? Are they?
Not for you.
Oh, thank you. Right, man. he's testing my face, my expressions, right?
If you're not afraid to fly in a plane, how could you be afraid to drive in a car?
No problem, but only problem is red lights.
So, do they have any new models or what? Did you call them? What happened?
No, I didn't call them, but I got to see online somebody at I'm not sure where. One of the videos was at Harley Davidson Bergen, and they were. I think I spotted a few 2021 models.
And you need a new beanie, right?
And I need a new beanie. So I'm everything Harley today, except for my jeans and my socks and my beanie.
Ah,
so
nice.
I want to buy a nice beanie like yours. I want it in men's color.
Yes. I don't understand that. It's black and white.
No, it's nice. I wanna get something maybe if they have.
So you want a pink one?
A pink or with an orange accent on it.
That's a pink one with a little fuzzy tassel on top here.
Downshift with the paddles as well.
You can.
I just heard you do that, or it did it by itself.
It does it by itself.
Wow. Are you on sport
rev
mode
matches?
Now?
Yeah, rev matches automatically.
It's DCT, right? Dual clutch technology?
Dual clutch transmission.
Transmission, oh, sorry.
Oh, so what I wanted to know is did you figure out who won the chips, the poker chips?
Oh man, I had.
Because Sandy actually did a video about, he had actually poker chips from Harley Davidson dealer in Israel. What was it? What was the name of the Harley dealer? Tel Aviv Harley Davidson.
Yeah.
So he actually made a video. Whoever came closest to the amount of miles he has on the bike won the poker chips. And
two people got 11 miles away.
That's crazy.
Yeah, close, really close. I sent out the poker chip, the envelopes of the poker chips.
Oh, you sent them out already?
I did already.
Gotcha.
4 people from the States and 1 guy from England, from the United Kingdom.
Oh wow!
So, yeah, so we sent it out yesterday.
Nice.
It was a cool. People actually liked that little. It was like a gambling thing for them.
Well,
you know?
a lot of people collect them. They're collectors. Yeah.
And trying to figure out like which is the closest and stuff. They like that game. Let's put it that way.
Nice.
The contest or image stabilization. Testing my nerves, huh? See, I don't mind aggressive driving when I'm behind the wheel.
Stay tuned too. We're gonna be putting out a ride video finally Sunday morning. I'll have it to you guys probably Monday or Tuesday. We're gonna try to put out a bunch of ride videos soon, but definitely this year is going to be a lot of cool destinations to come. Definitely a lot of them on the bucket list that we have to definitely complete. Maybe the Iron Butt Challenge, definitely do that. No?
Yeah. And I'm gonna say something. I don't know if John decides to leave this on or not. His decision at the end. The ride Sunday is really, really cool. And a little hint, it has to do something with me.
Have no idea what that meant, but we'll see. So here we are at Bergen, Harley Davidson, Rochelle Park, New Jersey. I'm really curious to see what they have. And there you have it. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
We're here with Mr. Sandy. We're gonna go check it out inside and see what kind of bikes they have for 2021. right, so Sandy could not locate a beanie for his tiny head.
Tiny head.
Sport Glide is really nice, right? Sport Glide is nice. A lot of changes. Looks really good. I prefer the silver one. They added, I should say, they swapped out the hydraulic clutch actuation and put in a cable, which I don't care for. But Sandy says it's pretty soft, but I'd rather have hydraulic. That's just where the new bikes, where the premium bikes lie. It's all hydraulic clutches these days. Nothing's cable. But anyway, it's a beautiful bike. They had some new Sportsters. Everything else was really nice. 2020 still. So we'll come back in a couple weeks and see what else they got. But anyway, that's it for this video. Say goodbye, Sandy.
Bye, Sandy.
We'll see you guys on the next video on Cycle Fanatics. Peace out, guys.